So whenever you create an emitter, okay, emitter is emitting particles. Presently we know the properties of an emitter, but what about the particles? So particles got so many things. So you can adjust either here, you can go for attribute editor for more things. Okay. So first we let us see what is in the normal channel box. So first thing is your lifespan. Presently it is live forever. That's why particles never die. They are just going on, or else just go for attribute editor. It's always better. Go to attribute editor. See, this is your attribute for an emitter. See, omni is there, per point rates are there, max distance, mean distance are there. If I say particle 3, these are your total properties of your particle. So many things are there. And you have to slowly learn that. Okay? There is no issue in that. So you know conserve already. Conserve is a thing. If you decrease, the influence of the field will go down. Okay. Next important thing is max count. Presently, infinite particles are released from the emitter because of the -1 value. I can limit it. Like I want only 100 particles to be released, then stop. So only 100 particles are released, then stop from no emission from the emitter. Like that, even one particle, two particles, you can refine. Then there is very important option which is leave forever. Presently, let me go for once again -1 to infinite. So presently what is happening? Particles are just go on, they are not at all dying. Okay. So live forever because it is in lifespan is in live forever. I can go for constant. Constant means I can refer how many seconds it has to live. Presently it is in 1 second. Just it will live for 24 frames and die. Each particle is dying after 24 frames. Like that, I can say live for 5 seconds. They will live for 5 seconds and die. If I go for random range means once again randomness will come. Means if I say 5 lifespan, in that if I say 3 is the randomness, means some particles will take 3 life, some particles will take 4, some particles will take 5, like that. You can see some are dying very fast here, some are dying too far and dying. See, some are taking, they are dying there, some are particles are dying here. To create the randomness variations in your seeding is double the seeding, means more variations it will create. Okay. So this is your lifespan. Then come down, there are render attributes. Render attributes means I can change different types of particles. Like presently it is in points, general points. I can change it to multi points. Once I say multi points, click on this, you will get the attributes. So multi count you can increase the radius of the particles. Okay. Point size decrease or increase you can do like that. Next, multi streaks are there. Once again, you can make something like that flower vase particles or something, like that you can adjust. Same thing, radius is there, multi count is there, line width is there, everything. Next is your numeric. Numeric is for only calculation of your position. It's not renderable. You will know the position of the particle in the viewport. Next, points. Next are spheres. You can create spheres, general spheres with radius. Because it's not supported. For each thing, different things are supported. Next is something like sprites. We'll talk about sprites. Very important. In this, you can put an image, alpha images. You can create fire effects, smoke effects using sprites. Very important. I think most of the things are done in sprites only. Tomorrow we'll be talking about sprites, not today. Streaks, like multi-streak is there, this is only streak, less amount of particles are there. Like that, blobby surface is very important to create water effects. See, presently they are like spheres, but blobby surface got a different attribute called threshold. With radius and threshold, if I start mixing both of them, you can't see anything here, but if I start putting both of them, the final result in your rendering will be something totally different. They will start mixing themselves like a water particles. More threshold you put. How they mixed, and you just increase your radius also. So until you get a proper result like water. See, they will mix each of them to create something like this. Then you can put it water, mud, whatever. I'll show you some examples on this also. So such very important. And general rendering